a version of this one.
All the flavors.
Okay. So, what to do?
Get an adapter.
Okay, cut.
Open it to remove the water receptacle. You have to open it first. Pull it out like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
And to put it back, you put it first. You have to open it also. You put it down. Make sure that the hook meets the point here, and then you close it like this. Then you have it closed.
That's the water
Receptacle.
That's the water.
Now this is how to remove the. It's an automatic disposal system. So this is the receptacle for your capsules, and you remove it this way. It goes one on top of the other, like that. But for the moment, there's still a protective film over the tray, so we're going to remove it. It has a serial number. We'll put it back in the box. It is new. It's good to clean this area because it gets moldy after a few days if you let the coffee sit still there, because it catches all the drips. So I put it back, and it should slide. Oops, sorry. It should slide perfectly inside, just like that. So don't force it; it will come in automatically. This is the video. This is the power button, so you turn it on and you see that the lights are blinking. It's okay to use when the two lights have stopped blinking and they're just lighted. It takes a few seconds.
Now it's stopped.
Okay. Now it's stopped, then you see that it just released some water. It's ready. So this tray is actually built for an espresso cup. So you have an espresso cup, you put it under there, but it could also fold so that it could fit your big mug, and it fits just like that.
Hey, that's nice.
Okay, so now we're going to clean it. I will press this button so that, and then we have to close it. This one. We have to close the machine because it's open. This is where the capsule normally would be, so we have to close it so that it closes the thing. Then we're going to clean it. Okay, we will do it again so that it will be clean.
What's that?
To program, I'm pressing the bigger of the two cups to program how much coffee you want to come out per press. Because that one was just half a cup of a big cup. So if you want it to be a full cup, you press this button longer so that you can program it to put out as much coffee as you want per press.
You have to press it like that all the time?
Just for the first programming. Look at how much water is going into the cup. It's far more than the half a cup we had earlier.
Okay. Stop.
Okay, so now that button is programmed to give that much of coffee. So now we'll have our first taste of coffee.
But so if you'll do it again, you press it and then program it, and then the next time you press it, it will go to that level.
Yes.
Okay, and this one's for the espresso cup.
Yeah, which is for this. This is the
Okay.
espresso cup,
Okay.
which is the equivalent of maybe some tablespoons.
Okay, you
So,
have your coffee.
Yeah, I'll just remove the water again so that it's clean, so it doesn't leak. Very good. These are what the capsules look like. So to put the capsules, you have to open the hatch. So you put it up this way. And then it fits perfectly like that. And then you put it down like that. And then you press the button.
That's a lot of coffee.